Hi everyone, I'm Elena from Media Mennonite Church, and we're here today at Liz's house doing some home renovation for her. Behind us, everyone is scraping paint off of the wall so that we can redo the siding with white paint. Here, they're taking the boards off so that they can jack the house back up. It's been settling, so they need to make it solid and have a stronger foundation. Down here we have some children digging holes so that they can fill it with insulation so the house doesn't cost so much to heat and cool. How's it going up here?
Yeah, so once we get it all scraped and painted, the house will look really nice again.
There was a ton of sediment on the steps, and now this guy is cleaning it off so we can walk down them. So the ultimate goal is to remove this tree here, so Elizabeth and Stephanie took out a bush so that eventually we can take it out.
Hi guys, I'm Meredith from Honeybrook, and we're here at the work site today. We're working on ripping down some siding, and then they're going to put up some new siding and then paint the entire outside of the house. So over here they're working on pulling down the siding, and I think Keith is cutting around the air conditioner so we don't have to take it out of the house. We just carried all this stuff back from the truck. This is all the new siding they're going to put on the house. They're working on replacing sections of the roof also. Good day so far. This is our second work site of the day because the other one they had to take care of some things before we can do more work. So the first site we're going to be working on a bathroom and replacing some of the floor. So what we did today was we took out the walls in the shower that were like destroyed from water damage, and they took out the old tub. And then they're gonna get some insect stuff in there to get rid of, there were a lot of like bugs to get rid of. And then tomorrow we're gonna work on ripping out the floor, I think. I really liked Doc's message last night. I like how he talked about like forgiveness and everything, because it's something that's really important to remember, and that there's going to be people that hurt you and you can't do anything about that. You just have to forgive them and move on.
So a little boy gets angry all the time. One day he comes down to breakfast and there's a bag of nails at his breakfast spot. And he looks at his family and his dad says, "Those are for you." And he goes, "I don't need a bag of nails." The dad says, "Well, come with me." And he takes him out to the back fence, big wooden fence, and he says, "Okay, son, we got to deal with this anger issue. And here's what I want you to do. Every time you lose your temper, every time you do something in anger, say something in anger, commit an angry act, I want you to put one nail in the fence." First day, there were like 17 nails in the fence. And as he went over a couple months, the nails got less and less and less, until one day he came running up to his dad when his dad got home from work. And what do you think he said? "No nails. I didn't put any nails in the fence today." And the dad said, "You know, that's wonderful, but you know, one day just isn't enough. So let's go back to the fence." So they went out. He said, "Let's pull out one nail." And he said, "Now every day that you go without anger, I want you to pull one nail on the fence." Remember, the first day he had 17 in the fence. So we're talking months this child had to go. And he did it. He went months without an angry event, and soon all the nails were out of the fence. And he was just filled with pride, as anybody would be. And he said, Dad, there are no more nails in the fence. And then said, son, I'm very proud of you. Let's go look at the fence. And as they stood and they looked, there were holes all over the fence. Maybe hundreds. We don't know how angry the kid was. Holes. And he said, son, when you say or do something in anger, it leaves an imprint. It leaves a mark. And sometimes those marks never go away. He said, I need you to learn not to be angry, but I need you to learn that the damage that anger can do.
I like the part where he was talking about the nails in the fence because it really just was an example of how you can hurt people with the words that you say, and there's no way to take that back once you say it.
Doc's message was really good last night, and it was good because it was really relatable.
Some people in the room have major scars. Their fence has so many holes, it's not even recognizable as a fence anymore.
Thought it was really cool because right before we went into session, we were talking about exactly what Doc was talking about, how we need to forgive people.
And right as he was talking about forgiveness, I just thought of the people in my life that I haven't given forgiveness to and how I can give them that forgiveness.
There's no repentance, there's no reconciliation. Remember when you're a kid and the principal said, okay, shake hands and it's all over? Somebody shake my hand and say it's all over. And God said, no, you can't. You cannot wait for that. You have to adopt a spirit of forgiveness.